Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about trusted certificates deployment or the configuration from the device configurations. To begin with, from the end-to-end device configuration, you can go for the profiles and create a profile and give a meaningful name as, for example, here certificates, and choose as Windows 10 devices related configuration. And under profile types, you can give here trusted certificates. So these trusted certificates always will be three different types. One would be the root certificate, other one would be the intermediate, and the user certificate with the intermediate. So there are difference between these three certificates. So whatever the configuration you are trying to do it, if you want to deploy those certificates automatically for only users, then you can give the user based certificate. If you are trying to do for the root level certificate, you can do it. So here the intermediate certificate stands for post to the root, you have the subroot, then you can choose as the intermediate. So this is how you can choose. Here you can show the C or file, so that you can automatically upload that certificate to your file, and then you can configure. So once you have clicked OK, you can save this to create, and then you can apply that policy. That's how you would be working with these, creating the profiles related to certificates. Thank you for watching this.